Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a problem from strategic cost management, replacement of machines. Okay, and let's quickly read the question. The company has to replace its machine with either machine EM or LM. Okay, they have given both the machine data, right? In terms of purchase price, scrap value, life, overhauling cost, overhauling due time, and overhauling cost, annual repair cost every year. Okay, if LM is chosen, it has to be replaced with another LM machine at the end of 6th year, since the life of LM is 6 years. Okay, with 12 lakhs. Ignore depreciation and tax, no need of those clumsy. Use a discount rate of 10%, which is 1 by 1 plus 0.1 the whole power n. Okay, number of years. Present annual pre discounted cash flows for each machine, then apply pre or annuity factors, and to show the computation to the nearest rupee, right? Compare the equivalent annual cash flows for the machines. Why mission should the company choose based on the NPV? Okay, this simple problem, what they are asking is, mm, based on the cost the company is going to incur by way of these machines, which is going to be the best machine by the cost incurrence, right? Okay, now the major thing when it comes to NPV plays around is PV factor. Okay, PV for year 1, year 1 is, year 0 is 1, first year, non-divisible 1.1, which is 0.9091, 2, 0.8264, 3, 0.7513, 4, 0.6830, 5, 0.62092, 6, 0.5645, 0.5132, 0.4665, 0.4241, 0.3855, 0.3545, sorry, only 5. 12th year is 0.3186. So we have just arranged all the PV factors here. So after this the question will be very easy. The total of all these years is 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total is 6.8134, right? This is PVF annuity factor. These are all PVIF. Okay, now we got all the informations. With this we can quickly solve the problem. Particulars, PV factor, okay, then LM, okay, EM, PV factor, total, LM, PV factor, total. Okay, let's drag this box below. Okay, now we'll have a better places, better space. Particulars, EM, PV, total, LM, PV, total. Okay, what's the purchase price? Purchase price of EM is 20 lakhs. PV factor is, since it is 1 year, first year 1, so total will be 20 lakhs. Okay, let's keep this loan. Okay, LM is 10 lakhs, PV factor is 1, total is 10 lakh. Then scrap value is before the scratch, we'll keep the scrap value at the last, and then the annual repair cost will take. Annual repair cost 1 to 12th year, we are going to incur. So what's the annual repair cost of EMS? 2 lakhs. This is 2.8. Okay, what's the annual repair cost for the entire 12 years, which is 6.8134. 2 lakhs into 6.8134, which is 13 lakh 62,680. Then 2 lakh 80,000 into 6.8134, which is 19 lakh 7,752. Okay, now after this overall cost we have. Overall cost is incurred at the 8th year. Okay, which is 0.4665, and for LM, which is 4th year, 0.6830. Okay, overall cost is 4 lakhs. 4 lakh into 0.4665, which is 1,86,600. Then 2 lakh for LM. 2 lakh into 6.830. 2 lakh into 0.6830, which is 1,36,600 overall cost. And then any other. Okay, LM is okay, we have will have a scrap value. Okay, for 12th year, how much is the scrap value? Scrap value of machine EM is 3 lakhs. Machine LM is also 3 lakhs. Okay, for 12th year and 6th year. 6th year for EM. For LM, sorry, for LM 6th year, for EM 12th year. 6th year is 0.5645. For EM 12th year is 0.3186. Right? Okay. Multiply 3 lakhs into 0.3186, which is 95,580. Then 3 lakh into 0.5645, which is 1,69,350. Right, we got the scrap value also. Scrap value will keep it, since it is a inflow, we'll keep it in the negative values. Okay, for easy understand. Right. Then again we are purchasing the LM at 6th year for 12 lakh rupees. Okay. Okay, how much is the LM cost at the 6th year, which is 12 lakhs. Okay, 12 lakh into 0.5645. 6,77,400. Then any other, we have included overall cost for all the. Okay, we are incurring the overall cost also for the 10th year. How much is the overall cost, which is 2 lakhs? 10th year is 0.3855. Okay, overall cost 2 lakh, 0.3855. which is 77,100. Then what's the scrap value at 12th year? 3 lakh is the scrap value. Okay, what's the 12th year rate, which is PV factor 0.3186, which is 95,580. That's it. We can wind up the problem and we can calculate the NPV. $20 lakh plus 1362680 plus 186,600 minus 9580, which is 34 lakh 53,700. Okay, $10 lakh plus 1907752 plus 136,600 and 69350 plus 677,400 plus 7700 minus 95580, which is 35,336 35,33922. Okay, so these are all actually the negative NPV, but since we have considered the inflows as negative value, we are getting it as a positive value. That's it. So which is the best one compared to all that we can find out using equivalent cash flows? Divisible by 12 years, divisible by 12 years. Okay, 3453,700, which is divisible by 12, 2,87,808. 35,33922 divisible by 12, which is 2,94,493. See, we are actually incurring more cost in LM machine, so we can actually opt for EM. So EM is the best replacement machine. That's it. Thank you.